anybody else do this. Take a piece of pizza that you got from wherever. This was a Meals on Wheels piece of pizza, guys. And I used to do this when Mike was alive. We order a cheapy cheese pizza or whatever, and then I'd bring it home, and I'd doctor it all up. Can't tell the difference between a fully loaded pizza and a done-at-home pizza. But let me see if I can get another angle so I can keep working. But, so, he used to tease me all the time because I'm so fussy about putting the toppings on. I make sure they're away from the edges, make sure they're in the diameter thing, and evenly distributed. And he would come home and I'd have it all chopped up and ready in the cup. My mushrooms, my green peppers, my pepperoni, my black olives. I'd have it all ready in the cup. This time I don't have any ham. I forgot to pull my leftover ham from Thanksgiving out of my freezer. And yes, I had ham for Thanksgiving this year. I've never done that before. But anyway, so he teased me, and he's like, just dump it on. We're just going to pick it off and eat it. You know, you're going to eat it any way you want anyway. But I just can't get myself to dump it on because, and I told him this, because I like to put everything on board, make sure it's all on board, and then I put my cheese on and I pile it around the perimeter so that nothing slides off of the pizza. The cheese sits right there, bakes everything together, and then the cheese runs down the side of the pizza. And the other night, I tried it his way. I just grabbed the cup and just dumped it right in the middle and kind of smished and squished it around, and it was a mess. I had to eat it with a fork, and the toppings were all over the tin foil, and it just wasn't working. But I was pleasantly surprised because the first time I had Meals on Wheels, the homemade pizza, I didn't like it. I ran it in the microwave when I got it, and the dough was not done, and I don't know what kind of sauce they used, but it was very dry. And this one had pepperoni, but the one yesterday had nothing but cheese on it. So I decided to do my doctoring up. This is the only... Yesterday was, or day before yesterday was the first time I've ever done a Meals on Wheels pizza like this, and it came out really good because it's a homemade pizza, so it was really, really good. So I had to copy for the second piece because they come in two pieces. This one actually is cut in half, but they give you two slices of pizza, two big slabs like this. And the first time I ever had the Meals on Wheels pizza was a couple of days after I got out of the hospital in November. And I just threw it in the microwave, and it was bad. It was really bad. So when I got this a couple of days ago, the first one, I doctored up just like this, and it was so good. I was so tickled, and I was so full. I mean, this is two slices together, and it's just, I put so much stuff on it that it's so filling. I mean, I eat this, and I won't eat again until late tomorrow night. No, you get. No, we have a new rule. Get. Trying to teach him the boundaries of when I'm cooking. I've been doing a lot more cooking lately, not just throwing stuff in the oven, or the microwave, or toaster oven. I've been doing a lot more cooking and using my countertops and stuff, so now it's time to train the cat, who is 1.5 years old, to stay away from the food. He's not even supposed to be on the counter, but I'm letting it slide right now. I'm making a video, which I usually do not do for cooking, because I cook, and I cook very well, but I'm not a cook. I don't share recipes or anything like that. Usually when I do make up my own recipe, I don't have the camera rolling in. I forget what I put in it, forget what I did. Because of all the medications I'm on, I forget a lot of stuff. And, but anyways, trying to make sure I got just enough cheese. Now I gotta do the borders so that my stuff does not slide off in the oven. And I have a couple of extra pieces of mushrooms. I'm just gonna cook them on the side. I have so much mushroom on there I couldn't fit those last 2 tiny pieces. Get all my cheese around my border. See there? I got everything all packed in nicely. And it was funny because Mike would tease me, you know, just pile it in the middle and let it fall where it's going to fall. But I couldn't do it. But when I showed him how I did mine, he never complained because he knew the ingredients stayed on the pizza. And yes, guys, I love a lot of cheese. And I found with these pizzas from Meals on Wheels, I love a lot of extra sauce because they just don't use much sauce. So I bought some. I had my groceries delivered a few days ago. First time in months I got groceries in the house. So I had pizza sauce delivered. So I added right on top of the pepperoni and cheese that was on the pizza when I got it. I added more sauce and green peppers, pineapples, fresh mushrooms, and black olives, and extra cheese. So, and the extra sauce. Okay, guys, so this is going to go in the toaster oven. And I will be back, let you know how it turned out. Just to give you guys an idea of how big this piece of pizza is, this is my toaster oven tray. There's my hand. This is a big piece of pizza. And it's heavy. It is loaded. I added pineapple tonight. I might put a little more cheese on there. But I added pineapple. The other night when I made the first one, I forgot the pineapple. But, and I'm very fortunate because Meals on Wheels brings two fruit cups every day. So I get lots of pineapple and pears and all that. So I always save the pineapple for my pizzas. I'm planning a lasagna in a few days. I wanted to eat up all the refrigerated stuff right now. And then I'm going to make a dinner that I'll have leftovers for a couple days. So I'm going to make just a small little lasagna. I might record it. I'm really enjoying watching these recipes and cooking. I might as well use the rest of this. But I'm really enjoying watching these videos, cooking videos, and recipe videos. So I might put one out here and there. I'm going to make a peach cobbler next week. I'll probably videotape that. Alright guys, I will be back. Okay guys, little darker than I would have liked. And it looks really dark on camera. It's not that dark in person. But it looks amazing. I think I'm going to take temperature because it doesn't, I don't know. It was pretty quick. And I want to make sure that dough is done in the middle. Alright, 125. I don't know. Alright, I don't think it's done yet, guys. I'm going to go a couple more minutes. Alright, guys, so I lowered the temperature and put it in for another 4 minutes. I don't want the top to get any darker, so I lowered the temp, trying to cook the doughy part. Because I did just take a piece of the tip, the point, some pineapple and cheese on top, and it was, the cheese was melted, but the pineapple was very, very, very lightly warmed, so it's not done. So, see you in 5 minutes. Okay guys, I did it for another 3 minutes, and then a couple more minutes, I was like, man, burning my cheese. Well, not burning, but getting dark, so then I remembered the oldest trick in the book, tin foil over it, and voila, it's no darker. Oh, Jesus, sorry guys, it's no darker. It looks dark because this light is not on the right setting. There we go. But it's beautiful and it's very, very hot. Alright, so I'm going to slide it onto the plate. I'm going to stick this tray back in the oven. I keep forgetting I got those new, I'm sure you just saw the pink guard red guard on the tray. I forgot I got those so I don't have to worry about burning my fingers. But anyhow, then I poured some extra sauce into a little dish just in case it's dry, because that one the first time was so dry. But the other night when I had it, it was perfect. And I don't have this set up so you can see my face, but ooh, look at that steam. I'm gonna give this a try. I'm telling you guys, for a reheated and doctored up pizza, it is almost as good as a store-bought, a restaurant pizza. Perfect, guys. Finger licking good. I'm gonna go pig out. I wish it wasn't so dark. The pizza is not that dark. It's like a little bit darker than golden. Anyhow, I'm gonna go eat this, edit this video, and get it posted. Grabbing my fork because it is juicy and cheesy and messy. And it looks really dark because they just changed the lighting in here, so. But anyway, let's see if I can turn it towards the best lighting in the kitchen. There you go, see? It's golden with just a little darker on the edges, which I love because I love crunchy. Oh, it's hot too. My finger's burning. I know this was a short and sweet, maybe not a full video because it wasn't a full making of the pizza, but it was something. I put all this stuff right on top of the previous sauce, cheese, and pepperoni, and it doesn't hinder anything. It makes absolutely no difference, and I prefer not to have to make the dough and all that crap. I actually love doctoring up a pre-made pizza so that I don't have to do the work. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. Whew, okay guys, I am so full. I cannot finish the crust. But that's my video, and I will see you guys on the next one. And I think my camera's messing up. It's blinking. But as I always say, I'm a double leg amputee. I started this channel so that I could try to raise money to fix my roof. I've tried every organization anybody has suggested to me, and everybody, they all say they don't have the funds or I don't qualify. So I don't get it. Well, I don't have a clue how I'm going to fix my roof. And, excuse me, this channel is my last effort. This is my last hope. So I am so close to getting monetized. Every one of you help by watching my videos to the end. They have to be watched to the end for the algorithms to be algorithming. Anyways, so hopefully I will be monetized soon and start earning some kind of money to put towards a new roof. Like I said before, you know, I'm a double leg amputee and my roof is leaking straight through the center of my house into my basement. But it's running down the wall just millimeters, guys, millimeters away from a live lighted light switch. When it rains at night, I pray to God before I go to sleep that my house doesn't burn down. I'm terrified all night that my house is gonna, you know, there's gonna be a spark and my house is gonna burn down. And of course, I don't have property insurance. I can't get it with the leak in my roof. I wouldn't pass inspection. So, you know, if anything happens to the house, I'm homeless, period. I don't have family. I don't have any friends. Never made any friends. Not one. I don't have any family. So, I'm on my own. And with Mike passing away, I'm trying to learn how to do everything by myself. So, this is my last-ditch effort. So, please hit that like and subscribe. Watch my videos to the end. Every one of you are helping me, and I say it all the time. By watching my videos to the end, that's as good as a donation because it gets me one step closer to getting my channel monetized so that I can earn something to put towards a roof. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.